Kwa muda mrefu watu wa kupiga picha walikuwa wananyanyaswa. Tumesema na watu wa inspectorate wako hapa, enforcement. Kijana mmoja akipiga picha na kamera, aeke kwa social media, apate advertising, asishikwe. Wacha afanye kazi yake. The freelance photographers, you know some of these rules are colonial. Ati wao kupiga hii picha, piga, kwani picha itafanya nini? Pigeni picha. So we have waived all business permits for freelance photographers and filmmakers in Nairobi, and on top of that, all the fees they are charged per day wakipiga picha na wakifanya hizo vitu nimezifutilia mbali, so that we can build our economy. We are in discussions with His Excellency the President on how we can zero rate musical instruments, mambo ya studio, tunataka studio kila mtaa. Simona mimi nilikuwa msanii. So pia wasanii lazima mjue, the Bible says that talent of yours is what will bring you before kings. That talent is God who has given it to you. So that talent must be able to feed you. You must live off your talent. In many countries, the richest people are the musicians and the sports people. Here is the other way around. So we must make sure that we change that and give you an opportunity.